Yeah. So, okay. So let us start today's class. So yes. So today's topic is verb. Okay. Verb. Earlier we saw how the verb is conjugated and how we put hiragana along with kanji. So, and based on that, there are 3 different verb groups. So, verb, let us see the pronunciation. Verb is
doushi.
so. Yes, you can repeat. Okay, unmute and repeat. Yes. Just yeah. Yes.
Doushi.
And so today's doshi is Godan doshi. Okay.
Godan doushi.
Godan Dorshi.
Yes, very good.
Godan doushi.
Godan Dorshi.
Yeah, very good. And
Kanji.
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 yeah, very good. And so kanji, we are going to see 1 to 5. Kanji, the very first kanji we are going to start today. Okay, now let us look at the Godan. Just let me minimize this. Yeah, so Godan doshi. Okay, Godan. This is the kanji for Godan and this is for doshi. You don't need to remember this. This is just a just to remember the characters. You don't need to practice it. Okay. So Godan doshi are also called as u verbs because most of the verbs end with u sound. Okay. Like u and su, ru, su, ku, gu, n, b, and mu. So most of the verbs, they end with this following sounds. So Godan verbs. What are Godan? So go means 5. Okay. And this is the kanji we are going to learn today. So
Go.
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 yeah. And go is 5. And
Dan.
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 yeah, dan. This is the kanji for dan. And dan means steps or stairs. So it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why there is this Godan? I'll explain you. So let us look at some of the examples of Godan verbs. Like this is
Kau.
Cow.
Kau.
Cow.
cow is to buy. Okay. And to speak is
Hanasu.
hanasu. Very good.
Hanasu.
Yes, hanasu. Very good. And to read is
Yomu.
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 yeah, very good. Yomu. So yeah. So kau, hanasu, yomu. So everything ends with u sound. And this is the basic form. So let us look at what are these 5 steps. 5. So Godan verbs is hanas. This hanasu is to talk. Okay. So this is one form. So if you look here, do not and then talk. This is casual way. So Japanese verbs are complicated because there is casual way of saying things and there are polite way of saying things. So in casual way, do not is
Hanasanai. 話さない。
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 Yeah. So instead of su here, instead of this su, we are putting sa here. And here,
話します。
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 she must form is polite form. Okay, let us look at next one.
話す。
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 Yeah, and hanasu, su is dictionary form, the basic form. Next is can talk, okay? I can talk, or he can talk, or she can talk, or they can talk is
話せる。
話せる。
very good.
話せる。
話せる。
Yes. So here hanaseru it comes. Okay. And let's talk is
話そう。
話そう。
そう。
話そう。
話そう。
yeah. So you must have noticed that the su is from this sa line in hiragana. So sa, she, su, se, so. These are the 5. Sa, she, su, say, and so. So these are the vowel sounds of a, I, U, A, O. These are the vowel sounds. So this is why there are 5 different forms. Godan, all different forms we are saying. Now let us look at one more example. So this is to stand, and to stand is
立つ。
tatsu.
立つ。
Tatsu. So ta, this is the kanji, ta, tatsu, to stand. And then we are adding something here in hiragana, tsu. We are adding tsu. So can you guess what will be the 5 forms? It will be ta, chi, su, se, ta, chi, su, te, to. So here, do not stand is
立たない。
立たな。
立たないい。
立たない。 立た
ない
立たない。
yes, very good. So we are instead of tsu, we are putting ta here. Okay. Polite form, mass form is
立ちます。
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 立ちます。立ちます。
立ちます。
立ちます。
very good. And the dictionary form is
立つ。
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 and can stand, I can stand, or they can stand is
立てる。
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 very good. And let's stand is
立とう。
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 very good. So again here we are adding ta, chi, su.
せ。
So very good. So this is just like the vowel a, I, U, A, O. This is from the tha line. So we should always look for this particular the dictionary form tsu. If it is tsu, then it is ta, chi, tsu, te, to. If it is mu, then ma, mi, mu, me, mo. However, there is one exception. So over here, Odan verb to buy is
買う。
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 yeah. So ka and this is to buy is this kanji, and then we are adding u. So this is the basic form. Now, so do not buy we would naturally think that this is R9 because since it is from A, I, U, A, O sound, we may think, this is ah, but it's not ah. It will be wa. So please remember this. So do not buy is
買わない、
買わない。
買わない、
買わない。
very good. So kawanai. It's not kaanai. Okay, it is not kaanai. It is kawanai.
買わない。
Yes.
買わない。
Very good. And the polite form is
買います、
買いま。
買いますす。
買いま
買い
す。
ます、
買います。買い
買
ます。
います。
very good. So the polite form is to buy. Okay. So yeah. And the dictionary form or the basic form is
買う、
買う。
買う、
買う。
買う。
very good. And can buy is
買える、
買える。
買える、
買える。
very good. And let's buy is
買おう、
買おう。
買おう。
買おう、
買おう。
買おう。
very good. So these are again instead of a, it is wa, I, U, A, and O. So yes. So this was a short explanation on the Godan verb. We will give more examples in the coming lessons. So I will put here some of the verbs and maybe you can practice on these verbs. 5 different forms you can write, and I will upload this in our Facebook group and the link will be given in the description. So let us see these verbs. To write is
書く、
書く。
書く、
書く。
書く。
please don't worry about the kanji now because the kanji is not yet taught. You can just write it in hiragana. Okay. And to rest is
休む、
休む。
休む。
休む、
休む。
休む。
next is to wait is
待つ、
待つ。
待つ。
待つ、
待つ。
待つ。
very good. And to carry is
持つ、
持つ。持つ。
持つ、
持つ。
yeah. And can you see in this kanji there is slight difference here. So this happens often in kanji. But please don't worry about this. In N5 kanji, these things are not there. So yeah. And to drink is
飲む、
ない。
飲む。
飲む、
飲
飲む。
very good. So these are the basic dictionary forms. I'll give you more examples. To call is
呼ぶ、
呼ぶ。
呼ぶ、
呼ぶ。
呼ぶ。
very good. And to swim is
泳ぐ、
泳ぐ。
very good.
泳ぐ。
泳ぐ。Is it more?
Yeah, it's 泳ぐ、泳ぐ. But
Oh.
you can pronounce 泳ぐ as well. It
Oyo.
has some regionality. So in Tokyo area, it's pronounced 泳ぐ.
So instead of gu, we are saying ng. Yeah. Some nasal sound. Yeah. So yes, that's how the local Japanese speak. So to use is
使う、
使う。
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 very good. And later on, of course, we'll upload the pronunciation video. So you can practice all these sounds more clearly. Okay, to make is
作る。
作る。
Very good.
作る。
作
作
る。
る。
Yeah. And to enter is
入る。
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 very good. So today's summary will just see Godan verbs. So Godan verbs means 5 steps. The verb conjugation has R, E, U, A, O suffix. And these are the things. You don't need to remember all of these, but I just put it and later on I'll upload this picture also in our Facebook. Do not, and then polite form, mass form, the dictionary, the basic form, can, which is potential form, okay, and let us is volitional form. You don't need to remember all of this, but just to know there are 5 different conjugations. Of course, there are more forms, but we'll see that later on. So this was about Godan verbs. Now let us go to kanji. And the first kanji is this. Okay. If you would see here, the kanji starts from here and it's just one. So, and as I explained earlier, kanji has onyomi and kunyomi, Chinese sound. Yeah. So this is written in katakana. So onyomi is
1、
1、
1、
and kunyomi, which is Japanese sound, is
1つ、
一つ。
very good.
1つ、
1つ。
一つ。
Very good. And let us look at some example words. So one is
1、
一。
1、
一。
ichi. Yeah, so one is ichi. Let us look at this is counter. 1 thing, 2 things, 3 things, and so on. So one thing, one like one pencil or like not pencil, but maybe 1 cup or something is 1つ.
1つ、
一つ。
Yeah, just like this one over here. 1つ. So one thing, okay? This 1つ. Number 1 is
1番、
so this is yes, ichiban. I didn't put it in Romaji so that you can practice the reading of hiragana. So I didn't put the Romaji here. So number 1 is
1番、
一番。
yeah, very good. Ichiban desu ne. Just like Nihon ichiban. Like that. Okay. Now 1 piece is
1個、
つこ。
ikko.
1個、
一個。
Yeah. So this su is small. So the consonant part will be little bit stressed. So ikko. Okay, now this is 1 person. 1 person is
1人、
一人。
1人、
一人。
yeah. So later on I'll upload these pictures, okay? Now this is 2. So it starts here 1 and 2. And the onyomi is
2、
ni.
二。
2、
二。
Yeah, ni. And kunyomi is
2つ、
二つ。
2つ、
二つ。
Very good. Futatsu. Okay, futatsu. And so two. Two is
に、
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 very good. So two things. First we saw one thing. So two things is
二つ、
二つ、二つ、
二つ、
二つ。
yeah. So futatsu. So even though this is fu, we pronounce it as fu. Okay, futatsu, not hutatsu. Futatsu. And number 2 is
二番、
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 niban. Yes, niban. Ban is for number. Okay, so number 1, number 2 is ban. Okay, and February is
二月、
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 ni gatsu. Okay, this is ni and then this is gatsu. So when we put like this, it means this is for months. So second month, this is number 2 month. So that's why we are putting February is ni gatsu. Okay, and 2 people. Okay, 2 people is
二人、
futari.
二人、
Yeah,
二人。
very good, futari. So this was the second kanji. Now let's look at the third kanji. Number 3. Okay, so this is easy. 1, 2, 3. Again, yeah. So the middle line is smaller, and then the last line is little bit bigger. Now let us look at onyomi.
三、
Sun.
三、
Sun.
三、
Very good. And the kunyomi is
三つ、
mitsu.
三つ、
Mitsu. Okay, because this is a small tsu, so mitsu. So the T sound will be little bit stretched. Mitsu. And 3 is
三、
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 sun. Very good. And 3 things is
三つ、
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 三つ。
so it's not mitsu but mitsu. Okay, so we are giving little bit more time to the tsu sound. Mitsu. Okay, and okay, let's see number 3.
三番、
San ban. This is sun and then ban. San ban.
三番、
三番、
Very good. And March is
三月、
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 三月。
very good. Okay. At third day is
三日、
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 三日。
so in calendar, this is how we say. So first is suitachi, futsuka, and mikka. This is mikka. Okay. Now let us look at number 4. So 1, 2, 3 was easy, and now it gets complicated. So this 4, this is how we write the kanji. So first stroke, stroke 1, stroke 2 is like this, and then third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, and the onyomi is
し、
she.
し、
She. And kunyomi is
4、
4、
4、
4、
yeah. So 4 is
4、4、
4、4、
so yon, or you can say she. Okay. So ichi, ni, san, and then you can say yon, or you can say she, which you can say any one of it. Okay. Next is 4 things is
4つ、
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 yeah. So yotsu. So here again, very small tsu. Number 4 is
4番、
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 very good. And April is
4月、
4つ、
shigatsu. Okay, it is because this is she, then we put the she, 4. 4 is she, and the month is gatsu. So shigatsu.
4月、
4つ、
Very good. Now, 4th day. So in calendar, any 4, day 4 is like
4日、
yokka.
4日、
4日、
Yes, yokka. Very good. Yokka. So we saw for this kanji. Now let us go to the number 5. The last kanji. So please look at the stroke order. And later on we'll upload this. And you will find this GIF animated images in one of our folder, which I'll share it in the description. Okay. So this is go, number 5. And onyomi is
5、
5、
go.
5、
5、 5、
Yeah. So this is ko, and then 10 we put and it becomes go. Kunyomi is
5つ、
itsutsu. So this is very difficult. Yeah. So e and then tsu. This is not small tsu. This is the big one. So itsutsu. Itsutsu.
5つ、
Yeah, that's how you say it. And later on, we'll upload the pronunciation video. You can practice the pronunciation with it. So 5 is
5、
go.
5、
5、
5、
Go. Okay.
Go.
5 things is
5つ、
5つ、
itsu. Yeah.
5つ、
5つ、
And let us look at next one. Number 5 is
5番、
goban.
5番、
5番、
Goban. Okay.
5番、
And May is
5月、
5月、
Gogats. Very good.
5月、
5月、
Yeah. So this is go and this is gatsu. May is gogatsu. And the last one is 5th day is
5日、
itsuka.
5日、
5日、
Very good. Itsuka. So we have finished the kanji from to 5. And in the next class, we'll be having from 6 to 10. So yeah, I'll stop sharing now. And anyone has any question today? So Yeah, and later on also I'll upload these images. So if there is any question or anything, please feel free to ask in the Facebook group. I'll be there and I'll respond to your questions. So thank you, everyone. If there is no question, then we'll stop our video now. So any questions?
No.
Okay. So yeah. Nell, no questions?
No questions. Thank you. Arigato.
Yeah, a pleasure. Okay. So thank you. We'll end our video now. And please practice on the verbs and also in the kanji also. And please practice it in a square note. In that square, you have to write the kanji.
Okay, expensive.
And write it in the right stroke order. It should go in the right stroke order as given in the GIF animation. So thank you, everyone, and have a nice day. Or it's already dark here. So good night.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend to you too. So thank you. We'll stop the video now.